You look at billionaires' charts dreaming of freedom. How naive. Right now, you are a battery inside a monument you built yourself. Let's look inside this factory for recycling your future. Habit 1. Lifestyle creep. As your income grows, you instantly convert liquidity into heavy branded junk. You think you are growing, but you are just increasing the weight of your chains. Habit 2. Death by 1,000 cuts. Every subscription is a tiny mechanical mosquito. Individually, they are harmless, but together they create a perfect pipeline for draining your capital. While you watch shows, your wallet turns into a raisin. Habit 3. Minimum credit card payments. You feed the debt monster a tiny coin, hoping it calms down. But compound interest works differently. The monster instantly grows and shakes not only the debt out of you, but your future as well. Habit 4. Impulse spending. You exchange real capital for a 3-second dopamine spike from unboxing. Buying useless junk gives the illusion of control. Put on the clown nose, operator. Tomorrow, you will buy another one. Habit 5. The car loan illusion. You buy a golden carriage on a 7-year loan. But as soon as you leave the dealer zone, the asset loses 1/3 of its value. This isn't status. It's just an expensive bucket that forces you to pedal twice as fast. Habit 6. No emergency fund. You build your life without a reserve fund. Your throne seems high, but it cannot withstand even a slight breeze of reality. One broken piece of the mechanism, and your tower of success folds back to zero. The monument of poverty is successfully charged. If you don't want to spend your life working as a battery for someone else's wealth, subscribe. We won't make you rich, but at least we'll show you exactly who is robbing you. Good luck.